Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Aryan Decodes. Friends, today we are going to learn Scratch in the quiz form. As you all know, it's a computer programming language that lets you create your own interactive stories, animations, games, music and art. So let's get started. Friends, look carefully and select the correct option. Scratch programs are called dash. And the right answer is projects. Now move on to the next question. In Scratch, commands are also called dash. And the right answer is blocks. Now move on to the next question. A sprite may have many dash. And the right answer is costumes. Next, in which category is the touching color block present? And the correct option is sensing. Now move on to the next question. Which of these commands are not present on the top level menu? And the right answer is fill. Now move on to the next question. To which part of the main screen are the command blocks dragged to build the program? And the correct option is scripts area. Next, a position on the stage is defined by a dash value and a y value. And the correct option is x. Now move on to the next question. To pick random block is present in the category. And the correct option is operators. Now move on to the next question. To make the gliding speed slower, you have to dash the time to reach the goal. And the correct option is increase. Now move on to the next question. You can reduce the size of a sprite by using the dash button. And the correct option is shrink. Dash is the place where sprites move and interact with each other. And the correct option is stage. Now move on to the next question. Cursor tools are located at the dash of the Scratch window. And the correct option is top. Next, the when clicked block belongs to the dash block category. And the correct option is event. Now move on to the next question. The first official website for the Scratch was launched in dash. And the correct option is 2006. Next, Scratch can easily run on operating system dash. And the correct option is all of the above. Now move on to the next question. Scratch 2.0 is the dash major version of Scratch. And the correct answer is second. Next question is, the dash sprite is selected in Scratch by default. and the correct option is cat. Now move on to the next question. The Scratch Blocks menu is organized into dash color coded categories. And the correct answer is 10. Now move on to the next question. To save a Scratch project, click on the dash menu. And the correct option is File. You can move the sprite forward by a specified number of steps by using the dash block. And the correct answer is more steps. Now move on to the next question. Blocks that are present in the Looks block menu are highlighted with dash shade. And the correct answer is purple. Next question. There are dash sub-blocks in pen block menu. And the right answer is 11. Now move on to the next question. The pen down block will leave a dash as the sprite moves on the stage. And the correct option is trail. Now move on to the next question. The pen color in pen block menu ranges from dash. And the correct option is 0 to 200. Next question. Scratch provides dash options to change the backdrop of the stage. And the correct option is 4. The blocks to change the appearance of the sprite are located under the dash block menu. And the correct option is Looks. Now move on to the next question. The dash block brings the hidden sprite back on the stage. And the correct option is Show. The Looks block menu is organized into dash sub-blocks. And the correct option is 19. Now move on to the next question. The dash block sets the thickness of the pen. And the correct option is Set pen size to. Next question. The dash block allows the sprite to save words in speech bubble for specified number of time. And the correct option is Save for seconds. Now move on to the next question. In Scratch 2.0, projects are saved with the extension dash. And the correct option is .sb2. Next question. The dash icons are used to change the background of the stage. And the correct option is New backdrop. Now move on to the next question. There are dash sound blocks in Scratch 2.0. And the correct option is 13. Next question. The dash block pulls up the sprite's pen so it will not draw as it moves. And the correct option is pen up. Friends, In the next question, select the correct operator from the given options. To move the sprite backward, you can enter the number of steps preceding with a dash sign. And the correct option is minus. Friends, I hope you enjoyed a lot. I will be back with some more interesting videos. Till then, take care and have a great day.